Welcome you all to this video session. This is the first class of your computer reboot book, and this is the first module of the very first chapter, and that is categories of computers in respect of size and shapes and the computer languages. Through this module discussion, we will be trying to understand regarding the categories of computer mainly, and the main topics are such as mobile computers. Under this category there are laptops, netbooks, tablets, etc., smartphone, palm top, etc. What is a game console, and what is an embedded system, microcomputers, mini computers, mainframes computer, and the supercomputers. With regard to classification of computers by size and types, we can divide them into 5 groups, such as mobile computers, number 1, number 2, microcomputers, number 3, mini computers, number 4, mainframes computers, and the last one is the supercomputers. This is the topic based on mobile computers. Mobile computers are the smallest computers designed in order to carry around by the users easily. What are the examples? Laptops or ultrabooks, netbooks, tablets, e-book readers, smartphones, personal data as assistants, or will be called PDAs. This is the acronym. And PMPs, that means the portable media players. These are all the mobile computers. These are the examples of the mobile computers. Don't forget that the main thing that lies here is mobile computers are always the smallest computer, and that are mainly designed or framed to carry around by the users. They are very much portable. Laptops. These are portable versions of desktop. PCs means personal computers. We can also say laptops are personal computers or PCs. And the netbooks are very smaller than the laptops. And they don't have the DVD drives. Although laptops and the netbooks come under this same category, that is, they are the mobile computers, but they differ from each other in terms of the drives, DVD drives. That means laptops will have DVD drives, but netbooks will have no DVD drives, or they don't have the DVD drives. Clear? This is the main difference between laptops and the netbooks. Both laptops and netbooks are capable of running the softwares and the netbooks primarily focus on internet access. Whereas the ultrabook, it is another category of laptops, and it is very much slimmer and the lighter than the laptops and the netbooks, and they are built to offer the same performance as the laptop. So there is no difference between ultrabook and the laptops. They are built to offer the same performance. There is as much no difference between laptops and the ultrabook. One thing is that differ, and that is the ultrabooks are more slimmer and the lighter than the laptops. That's it. For the case of tablets, they are easy to identify, and they come without a keyboard and the mouse, and they are mainly operated via a touch screen. Tablet will have touch screen. In the tablets, there will be no keyboard or the mouse. Touch screen will suffice the operation of the tablets. That means tablets can perform easily any tasks like laptops or the netbooks without keyboards and the mouse, because they have the touch screen. For the case of e-book readers, they are mainly used to store and read books, including newspapers and the magazines. Therefore, we can say e-book readers are mainly readable devices that are mainly used to store and read the PDFs. Kindle is an example of an e-book reader. Smartphones are phones with many features of a computer, such as internet connectivity. Now, for the case of PDA, the full form is Personal Digital Assistant or Data Assistant, we can say, is also known as palm-top computer. Palm-tops are similar to PDA. The another name of PDA is palm-top computer. And these palm-top handheld devices can function or act as a cell phone or fax sender or the personal organizer. And they will have the ability to connect to the internet. And for the case of PMP, this is the acronym, and the full name is Portable Media Player, is an also electronic device that stores and plays audio, images, videos, etc. This is very important to know what is a game console. Game console is an electronic device that can be connected to a TV and may be used to play interactive video games. What are the examples of a game console? Such as PlayStation 4 and Xbox One. And what is an embedded system? It is a combination of computer hardware and the software and designed to perform a specific function within a larger system. And these systems are embedded in cameras or household appliances, medical equipment, vending machines, automobiles, etc. That means these will be utilized in cameras to perform specific functions only. Otherwise, they will have no need. These are all informations regarding the mobile computer, different types of mobile computers. Now the second type of computers is the microcomputers. These are very small computers and used by one person at a time. The real example is desktop. They are mainly used in most offices, schools, colleges, homes, and they are also known as the PC or the personal computers. Mini computers. These are larger than the microcomputers. We can compare these mini computers with the refrigerators. They are quite similar in size. Mini computers first appeared in which year? The year is 1960s. But in the 1980s, they got replaced by the microcomputers. What are the examples? HP 2100, one of the most important example of the mini computers. And these mini computers have become more powerful with the time. Mainframes computer. These are very big, powerful, and expensive, and they are meant for multi-user computers. Mainly used for bulk data processing or collection, and used in large organizations. What are the examples? Like government offices, airlines, banks. And the examples of the mainframes are IBM 4381. This is very important. This is the supercomputer. And these are the biggest and the most powerful computers in this world. They often occupy the whole rooms because the size of this kind of computers is very big. They have a definite specification, and that is they can process trillions and trillions of informations or instructions by per second. That's why the government organizations and the large industries use this type of supercomputers for their work. And what are the examples? Such as IBM's Sequoia and the Fujitsu's K computer. And in India, the supercomputers are the most distinguished one is the Param 800. It is considered the India's first supercomputer. And Param had been developed by CDEC. The full form of CDEC is Center for Development of Advanced Computing. It is situated in Pune or located in Pune. And Param is the first series of supercomputer that had been built in India. Amongst them, the Param 8000 is considered the India's first supercomputer. That is all about today's discussion. Based on different types of computers in respect of size and types and their functions. Thanks for watching this informative video. Happy learning.